Gone are the days of paying tons of money for security cameras. Thanks to companies like EZVIZ, the average consumer is able to piece together a setup that meets their needs and, most importantly, their budget. This is the EZVIZ C8W Pro. It is the latest in their outdoor security camera range, boasting features like a full 360-degree field of view, auto tracking, being able to set preset positions, and even two-way audio. And that's just to name a few. So let's see just how good this thing is, and first start by unboxing it. So in the box you get everything you need to get this up and running. You get the camera, a 1.5 meter power adapter, screw kit, waterproofing kit, drill template, and your basic user manual and instructions. Installing the EZVIZ C8W Pro camera may seem daunting at first, but it is actually quite easy. It is important to note that the camera lens only moves to be parallel with the ground, so when mounting, consider placing the camera a little higher than you initially thought to take advantage of the tilt down functionality. All we're going to do is simply screw the bracket to the wall and hook everything up. You can connect to a Wi-Fi or directly to your broadband via an Ethernet cable. Ethernet is more reliable, and the waterproof adapter allows you to plug the camera in outside worry-free. However, having that Wi-Fi option, well, it just means less cables, so the option is up to you. The micro SD card slot is hidden by a screw-in cover underneath the camera and can store up to 256 GB of offline recordings. There is also a paid cloud storage service available, but with a capacity of 256 GB, the C8W's already compressed video is plenty. The EZVIZ app allows for easy connection and access to several useful features, including smart AI abilities. When human detection is active, the C8W Pro can auto-track a person and follow them, ensuring you never miss any movement. The camera also supports up to 12 preset points for quick positioning. These can come in very useful when you don't want to be scanning through the app by using the onboard controls. You can quickly go to a preset position without the hassle. Alerts are quick, and with a 2K resolution that captures more detail than the standard HD cameras you see on the market, you can make out facial features and number plates to gather all the necessary evidence you might need. At night, there are two video options available to you. The standard IR shoots in black and white, while the spotlight option shoots in full colour. By having these two options available, there is diversity in how you can have your videos recorded. The camera features an active defense function that sets off a siren and flashes the spotlights upon detection of any intruders. And trust me, it's loud, so it's bound to get attention. The built-in microphone and speakers allow for live interaction with visitors, and it comes in very useful when there's a delivery driver. Hey, sorry, I'm actually not home right now. Can you place the parcel in the front porch area? Cheers. If you receive frequent notifications of movement in busy areas, you can create a detection zone to help you identify where the event occurred. You can define multiple zones and receive alerts indicating which zone was actually triggered. This just allows you to determine whether further investigation is necessary. It also provides additional peace of mind without requiring any action on your part. Overall, this pan and tilt camera offers excellent value, thanks to its ability to track people, record offline, and capture 360-degree of video. You can activate notifications on a schedule, allowing you to enjoy quiet time when you don't want to be disturbed. This just simply puts you in control of your home surveillance. Be sure to check out this product in a link in the description. Let me know what you think. Till next time.